Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do something quick, simple, and easy, and it is to show you how to put a decal inside of your resin piece. Okay, I've already made the name, and I've done this with my Cricut. So you're gonna peel your transfer tape off just like that, and you're gonna find a good place that you want to put your decal, and I want mine here. So gonna press lightly onto it so that it will stick. Okay, and I'm sure it's stuck by now, and I need to get a let me get something to peel my transfer tape up with. Just gonna use this seam ripper. I don't want to mess up my my resin, so just gonna try to do it lightly, okay, because I don't want to mess it up, because I still want to do a top coat on this so that I can assure myself that the name will remain inside of the coaster. Okay, just like that. It's just that simple. And now I'm gonna pour some Stone Coat Art Coat, well, Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. I'm gonna pour that on top. Okay, just so that I can make sure everything sticks. And see, I placed this here earlier, so yep, that works. I placed that there off camera, the little mermaid tail. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna push everything out so that it will adhere to everything what I want it to adhere to. Just that simple. Okay, and just like that, how you got everything in smooth. And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to drip a little bit behind the tail, because I want that to stay intact as well. I left myself only maybe 1.5 millimeters back there, because I wanted it to stay close to the edge so she will have somewhere to put her cup. And just like that, that part is done. And I'm just gonna add some more so I can fill it all up. Fill it up, make sure I level it all up all the way to the top. It's looking nice. And you guys, that is how you add a decal into your coaster. Now once this finished, everything will be nice and smooth, and that's all we have to do. Thanks for watching. Look forward to more short videos, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.